This is Brenda's Desserts from around the world, and today's destination is the Philippines. I'll be trying a recipe for Bibingka, so let's get started. To start, we're going to add 4 eggs, half a cup of sugar. Now we're just going to whisk this together. Now we're going to add a cup and a half of coconut milk. A quarter of a cup of melted butter. Whisk that together. Now we're going to stiffen our dry ingredients. Now I have here 2.5 cups of AP flour. Now the traditional way is rice flour, but you could also use AP. I'm just going to stiff it inside the wet ingredients. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of baking powder and a half a teaspoon of salt. Dip that in. Okay, now we're just going to mix it. Now I have my spring pan out. This is a 9-inch that I sprayed and lined with parchment paper on the bottom. The traditional way is like little bowls with bamboo leaf in it, but I don't have that, so I'm just going to use this for now. Make sure it's even. Now I boil an egg, so you just want to top it with it. And from there, you just get cheddar cheese and just sprinkle on top. Some people add cheese in the mixture. You could do that too if you love cheese, but I'm just gonna add on top only. So I preheated my oven at 375 Fahrenheit, and this might take maybe 20 to 30 minutes. So my cake just came out of the oven. It took longer than expected. It took 40 minutes. Through the halfway of the cooking process, I cover with foil to make sure the cheese doesn't burn too much. But other than that, it's ready. I'm gonna let it cool down and we're gonna have a slice. So it cooled down by now, so it's time to cut a slice. Looks delicious. Some people put more cheese on top, and some people put shredded coconut as well. But I'm just gonna have it as is. Time for a taste test. This came out very delicious, very soft. I was surprised how soft it was. Didn't have a lot of flavor to it. I should have added cheese into it, so if you're watching this, I recommend putting more cheese into the batter. Maybe like a cup. But overall, it was really delicious. I give this 8 out of 10. And I hope you guys try this recipe. It was easy to make. And if you do, let me know, comment below. And like always, I see you guys in my next destination. Don't forget to like and subscribe.